Okay, so I'm just giving a quick tutorial for you guys when you get to the point where you're graphing these to find solutions. I only want you using the graph to find the solution, so you don't have to actually solve it all the way out. But I do want to show you how to put these fractions into the Desmos graph, so that way you can find your solution point. All right, so first thing first, when we want to put both sides of this equation in, all right, x plus 13 divided by 8 equals negative 2x minus 1 over 9. All right, so on the first line, I'm going to put that equation from the left side. I'm going to use this parentheses in order for us to separate the top and the bottom, all right, over 8. That is the one on the left. And then I'm going to use the parentheses for on the right. Minus 1, and I'm using a forward slash to do the division symbol over 9. That's the button that is the same as the question mark. It's on the right side next to the shift. It's the same button as the question mark, but you do not have to hit shift. All right. Uh, there you go. You find your solution point. All right, where they cross, that is my solution. In this case, it is x equals negative 5 would be my solution. X equals negative 5, my solution.